Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make pattern papers at home using few things. The materials needed for these are sketch pens, plastic crayons, oil pastels, brush and sketch pen. So these are my 4 beautiful pattern papers. So how to make it? Let's see. So first one is this. So what do I need to make this? I need 2 plastic crayons, black and red. Red to color the heart and black to make the zigzag lines. This looks very pretty. The second one is this, colorful. So what do I need to make this? Yep, I need those shades. Grey rose, salmon pink, light pink, pink, magenta, purple, medium red purple, maroon, crimson red, pompion red, red, vermilion, and then I repeated the same. See, it looks very beautiful. So let's see the next one. Oh wow! I made these using those plastic colors. I have not used skin color and brown color. And I have used other rainbow colors. I made the dot type design, like first green dots, then yellow dots, and then purple dots, and one in middle, the red dot. This was looking nice, but I thought to color black at the background. It looked very nice. And then bordered with sketch pen. So this is the last one. So how did I make this? These are the materials: paint, sketch pen and brush. So let's start. So I used ajwain leaves, 2 leaves, one small and one big, and colored it with green and black. Means green for the leaf and black for the stems. And I use sketch pen for outlining leaves and writing green. So it's done. It looks very nice and this is my favorite one. All 4 looks very pretty. So which one do you like?